Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about sketchbook tour of my recently finished sketchbook. I just finished it today. I don't remember the exact date of starting this, but it took me almost 3 months to finish it. It was my sister's sketchbook, but she wasn't using it, so my sketchbook just got finished. So she gave me this one to use. I used very basic stickers here. I don't even like the aesthetic of them. Now let's start the sketchbook tour. First page is still empty. I was confused what should I make here, so I left it blank. My sister made these pomegranates. Rest thing was my failed attempt to use watercolors. This sketchbook have very few decent pages. Most pages are messy and unfinished. I was so unserious when I started this sketchbook. I made this word few days ago. Right page is made by my sister. This is first page I draw in this sketchbook. I started using it from here. I made some fruits and veggies here. On the second page, I was trying to draw horses. I used color pencils to draw and then used watercolor to paint. I don't hate this page. Again, some more animals. I used my brush pens to paint these. This year I really made a lot of animals and birds. You will see in next pages. I made a pigeon. This one is first decent page in this sketchbook. I used color pencils and watercolor here. And I love this page. I was just drawing and experimenting most of the time. This sketchbook I mainly used watercolors. Before that I was using color pencils. One more I don't know what I was doing page. This time I was using another sketchbook. So I randomly making anything here. I was drawing from real life as well. But I was not getting how to make things in 3D. I started drawing a lot of new animals. I like this squirrel. I was trying acrylic paint here. It definitely didn't work. One more messy pigeon. I like this pigeon very much. On the left page I draw a owl, but couldn't figure out how to color this. I try making giraffe here. Before filming this video, I tried to improve all the unfinished page, but I couldn't get myself to fix it. I was not enjoying drawing so much here, so was just making for sake of it. Used pen here. I love using pen while drawing. Used acrylic paint again here. This deer was fine before, but I end up ruining it. I made this journal organizer from my room. I was trying to draw in 3D. This page kind of messy, but I like it. The right side page look cool to me even if it's imperfect. Try using watercolor here again. Made one more pigeon. It took me long time to figure out the colors of pigeon. Here I was just doing anything. I was trying to draw flowers here. I was trying to learn watercolor here. This horse was fine when I drew it, but ruined it with colors. For past few months, my drawing skill is improved, but coloring skill is still bad. I like this page. I think the rabbit and squirrel looks fine. I made this page few days ago when I was trying to fix this sketchbook. I kinda like it. Used my brush pens to draw more flowers. And here more animals. I like this duck. Was trying to save the horse without seeing any picture. Ruined pages. Got oil pastels here. Trying them here for some pages. Here I got new watercolor. I was trying them. From now you must realize I love drawing pigeons. Made some bird. I like this one. Some more birds. I love drawing birds. Here I made a horse. I don't know if I love it or hate it. I love this bird on right side. Use gouache here for the first time. Fun and colorful pages. I love it. Just a random page. Used watercolor here. Made more horses here. They look fine to me, but I have a lot of mistakes. At this point I was just drawing birds and animals. I love nature. I never thought I would enjoy drawing animals so much. I like the left page. Not finished the right side page. More birds drawing. And we come to an end of the sketchbook. I just filled last page randomly because I wanted to complete this sketchbook. And that's all. I finished one more sketchbook. Although there is very less good pages, I experiment here a lot. Learn to draw a lot of new things. If you watch it till here, thank you so much. Like this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Bye.